In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your iPhone photos on your computer. So the very first thing we need to do is just head over to your mobile device and then click on the settings icon from the homepage. You can then click on your profile name and then select iCloud. Now underneath Save to iCloud, go and click on Photos, and you need to make sure that Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled, and then once you've turned this on, we can head over to our computer. So all you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. In the search box, type in iCloud and press search, and then go and click on iCloud from the list. Click on the blue Get button. Now once this is finished installing, we can open up the app, and then you'll need to go and sign in with your Apple account. Now this needs to be the same Apple account that you're signed into on your mobile phone. Once you're signed in, you'll have the option to sync your iCloud photos to the Microsoft Photos, and we're just going to go and press Sync Photos. You can also sync your files as well. I'm going to press Not Now, and for the passwords, I'm also going to press Not Now. You can then go and press Finish Setup, and then you can go and click on this tab here, Open in Microsoft Photos. You can then click on iCloud Photos from the left-hand side, and now all of the photos from your iPhone will start to appear in this window here. And just bear in mind that this may take up to an hour to sync all of your different photos and videos across. If you want to download any of these to your computer, then you can just select them like so, and then you can go and click on this Move button in order to move them over to your computer. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.